Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Porter with Lennar at Providence. I'm going to show you the Hamilton today. Come with me. The Hamilton is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage home. It has approximately 2,032 square feet. It does come equipped with the Ring doorbell. You can access this right from your phone. Somebody drops off a package, rings your doorbell, you can look at it right from your phone and see who it is. It does come with the Baldwin keyless entry as well. Very cool feature. Somebody locks themselves out, you can unlock the door right from your phone as well. Access it right from your phone. All right, and this is the Wi-Fi enabled thermostat. Again, you can control this right from your phone. Standard, comes with the home. This is bedroom number 4. This is our standard bathroom, 1 of 3 in this model. This is bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 2. This is bathroom number 2. This is the washer and dryer that come with the property as well. Check that out, king size comforter, no problem, no problem. Dryer is a larger capacity as well than the standard size. Then out here, this is the garage. Does come equipped automatically with the garage door opener and remote, as well as a hybrid energy efficient rated hot water heater. It pulls the hot air from the garage and pulls it into the water heater to help heat the water for you. So it's going to save you a couple of bucks on your utility bills. All right, here we go. All right, the main part you've been waiting for, the main living space. This is the dining room, family room combined. And with the exception of those 2 pendant lights hanging down, this is our standard kitchen, you guys. Comes with the fridge, comes with the dishwasher, microwave, stove, everything. Glass backsplash, glass tile backsplash, nickel finish handles, pull out faucet. So cool. It even comes with the Amazon Show. You could be like, hey Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
And guess what? She's gone. Check that out. Yeah. How cool is that? This is the pantry. The pantry in the Hamilton is just crazy big for the size of the home. There's a lot bigger homes that I've seen that don't come with that pantry size. And then next I'm going to take you over to the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets. His and hers, hers and hers, his and his, hers by herself. It's a small linen closet in the bathroom that could be his or hers. And I'm so proud to say that this right here is our standard bathroom. Check this out. Double bowl vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, and a private toilet. And again, the blinds come with it, my friends. Next, I'm going to take you out to the screened-in lanai. Now, the screen is an option. It doesn't come standard with the home, but this triple door slider is a standard feature. Check out the amount of space that you have here. Look at that. Look at that opening. Isn't that crazy? Put a grill out here if you wanted to. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. Thank you for taking this time to tour this home with me. If you do have any questions about this home or others like it, please don't hesitate to contact me. My information will be below in the comments. Thank you so much for your time today and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.